Emotion is the most important thing you can possess. Your emotion is the most powerful prayer you can make on earth. When I say prayer, I don't mean when you kneel down to pray, as in verbally. No, I'm trying to let you know that it is called emotion, meaning energy in motion. So whatever life you have is as a result of what you have projected into your life. If you're always happy, you will always attract positive, happy life, happy instances or happy incidences that will make you more happy. But if you're always sad, you need to do something fast. And that is, you need to get yourself out of whatever makes you sad. If it is your family, get yourself a place that you can isolate yourself from the family. This is the most important thing you can do for your life. Emotion is very important in your life. The kind of feeling you have. See, don't say you are binding and casting. If you remember, when you pray, as in actually pray, when you actually pray, that after prayer, you know that I have prayed. You know you feel it. It is that same feeling. It is that feeling that makes you cry when you are praying, because you feel it. There is an emotion you're projecting into the universe. That is the most important thing, not the words you are saying, because the universe doesn't care about your words. In fact, words is a limited system of communication. Images and emotions are most important. That is what is more powerful than what you're saying. Listen, for example, there are parents who never meant the cause, or when they say some things about their children, even you and your friends, when you people are joking, you can actually tell somebody that you will die tomorrow out of joke. It doesn't really work. But when you are angry with that person, if you're somebody that is spiritually elevated and you say such a thing, it could happen. Why? What's the difference? The emotion. The emotion you attach to everything is more important than what you are actually doing. The emotion is what the universe listens to. That is why when you are angry, please don't speak negative words. Don't think negative thoughts about somebody or about something. It is wrong. That is the creation moment. When you are thinking what you are thinking, you are creating something. That is the fact. When you are feeling what you are feeling and you merge it with words and images, you have created something. And remember, energy cannot be destroyed. Never. It will only be transformed. Once it is emotion, the moment you have said that thing or imagined that thing, you set that energy in motion, and that energy can destroy you. And the funny thing is that you are tied to that energy because emanating from you to whatever you are doing. That is why you see some people, you say this one is a witch, this is a wizard. What is the problem? Whenever you quarrel with the person, or whenever the person says something against you, or whenever you tell the person about what you want to do, something just goes wrong. It's not actually maybe they are actually wizards and witches, but they might just be jealous of you. They might just not like that thing you are telling them to happen to you. So when you tell them, it creates an emotion in them, and they begin to think why it shouldn't happen to you. And somehow it just doesn't happen. That because that person is vibrating on a higher level. So whenever that person is thinking or is having an emotion or is putting an emotion in motion, his own is more powerful than yours. That is the problem. That is why sometimes it's advised that whenever you want to do something, don't tell a lot of people who you think might. In fact, you don't even know who likes what you want to do. You don't know who wishes you well. You can't really tell. Some people can smile with you, but at the back they're angry. They're angry with you. They don't want that for you. So you should be able to guide the things you want to be or do in life jealously until it is at least 99% for sure it's going to happen. Then you can start sharing. Some people say you like keeping things to yourself. Bro, election is per head. So I don't know about you. If I share some things with people, it just doesn't happen. Because even the emotion I have, I will feel like I have, the moment I say that thing, my spirit doesn't want me to say, but the moment I say it, it's like I have removed a large portion of something in me by saying it, and that will not happen. Somehow it won't just happen. But if I keep it to myself, work on it, the emotion will keep piling, the momentum will keep gathering, and from nowhere it will just happen. If you're like me, then you should learn. Always observe yourself. Observe your life. Man, know thyself. It's not just to know who is your father, who is your mother, where you came from, what is your name, what religion are you practicing, a male or a female, bisexual, blah blah blah. That is not the point. The point is to understand the vibration you are giving out, understand the kind of being that you are, understand the kind of person that you are. These things are the most important thing about your life. If you don't understand it, you will never go forward in life. You need to understand it. Understand that sometimes there are some people you meet, and after meeting them, things begin to turn positive or negative. You observe it. Be observant. Observe the kind of things you eat, how you react to your body. Observe the kind of way you woke up yesterday, the kind of dreams you have. Observe yourself, because you're going to study yourself. Studying yourself is the most important topic you will ever study in your entire life. That is why you are here, to know yourself. You have to discover yourself. I said discover because it's already in existence, but you don't know a jack about yourself. So discovering yourself is observing, paying attention to your life. Pay attention to the people you come across. What happens after you meet them? Pay attention to the kind of food you eat. What happened to your system after it? Pay attention to the kind of way you feel at a particular point, during a particular event, Observe these things. Once you observe these things, I'm telling you, you will have a full map or the blueprint of your life, and you know how to navigate this earth because you are now in full control. Thank you very much. Subscribe for more, share, and also comment.